What up? What up, bro? What up, chat? I need some pre-market field today for sure, guys. Jeez. If you guys can guess how many hours of sleep I got last night. Yo, why is my OBS not connected to the right chat? How do I fix this? Like, what did YouTube update last night? I think every Monday there's like something new that pops up, and it's also something that's going on. Some technical difficulties. Pre-live stream still up. Okay, it makes sense. Yeah, cause. Oh wait, my bad. Here we go. Okay. Okay, but aside from that though, why does my OBS show that it doesn't show my current chat, but it shows a chat from a different stream? Like my old stream. I mean, I can still view chat through the YouTube side, but I just don't prefer I don't really like to do that. I would just do this, I guess. Maybe I could pop up with chat. There you go. Never mind. All right, whatever. It's fine. Good morning, chat. What up? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new week. Welcome back to a brand new day. Hope you guys had a great weekend. How was the weekend? Winning? Weekend winning. There's no trades on the weekend. Let's trade crypto. How you feeling today? I'm vibing, man. I'm vibing. Trades called, amigo. You are right. Let me go fix that real quick. More fam, thanks for YouTube followers. You know, MF man. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. What up, David? You know what I always wanted to try? Actually, I'll do it later when it's more lit. I want to call people's names out. I have to record it on my Go XLR and then like hype up their name. I ain't got the voice for it right now. BTC USD. All right, guys. So before I get into all this stuff, let me go ahead and mark up my my charts first. Man, every Monday I feel so rusty, guys. I literally did not look at the charts the whole entire weekend. This is the first time looking at the charts aside from yesterday's analysis video, but let's take a look here.
Good morning, guys.
What's up? What's up?
How are you?
We good, man. We good.
That's great.
How are you, man?
Great. I finish university on Friday.
Oh, officially?
Yeah.
Nice.
So I'm happy and also free.
Alright, guys. I'm just gonna start with this analysis video. We're just quick analysis. So, you know, like people always ask me, "Yo, Don, how do you find the daily buys for a day?" Man, if you guys just go watch every stream, like this time when I analyze the charts and break down my GJ and gold, that's when you can get to my best buys for the day. That's when you get my overall buys for a day. So, you know, just watch the beginning of every single stream, do the same thing every day. But see, look here. So it's our gold here. Gold fit the weekly, looking like we are bullish, right? Last week it did close bullish, doji bullish, and we actually closed doji. So therefore, if we cover up this candle, that's what the candle did last week. It did nothing. It opened here, and then it closed there, right? Therefore, I expect this week's candle to continue up as well, as long as it respects the previous candle low, which is down here. So the next resistance you have for gold is gonna be I want to say like this resistance here, right here, the 1810 1815 levels around that range before to continue up as we were breaking back into this range here. So I want to see how we react this week, but I'm bullish for the week. I think I'm bearish for a day though, is what I said yesterday. I'm bearish for a day because the daily candle closed bearish. All right, so if you look at the daily time frame, created a resistance here and then came down and created support here. Therefore this is now a range, right? So there's nowhere we can go. I am bearish for a day though, just because the day closed bearish. I do expect this range to get filled coming down towards us, 1768 area. I do expect to continue down as long as we respect this high here. But again, just because I'm bullish for a week doesn't mean I have to be bullish every single day for the whole entire week. All right, so because for us to actually continue up this week, we need to break this high here or break out this range. We need a closure above. So we need something like this. Let me draw it out. You need a bullish candle closure above the range, like this. Or sorry, you need a bullish candle closure at support or a bullish candle closure at the range. All right, you need a daily closure bullish. So that's not gonna be today. That's gonna be tomorrow. It can't be today. It's impossible. The day ends in 10 hours, and we need to wait for the day candle closed in order to figure out where we kind of want to go, right? Because the bias for the week is bullish. The day is bearish, therefore it's gonna be a bit rangy, not as clean today. So I'm not gonna be too focused on gold today until we actually get a closure. So this closure could be tomorrow or Wednesday. Let's see. But I do believe we're gonna flip bullish this week and break out that range, as the weekly is again bullish, right? So I mean, if I'm bearish for a day, the sells I'll look for is probably gonna be below. Let's see. I want to say, this is a nice support you have here. This is new. This formed like last night. Let me go ahead and change the song. I want to say below support here, because below support, price came up, created resistance right here, and then came down and created support. We're now at that support. We don't know what's gonna happen here yet. We need a closure below, preferably something like this, in order for us to continue down. If you look left, if you break below here, where we're gonna go, look left, we're gonna drive down towards the support down here, I want to say. So if that's your next support, this range is gonna be around 32 pip range on gold. Not bad at all. You can definitely catch something within that range. So I want to see how we react there. All right, but you need a closure below for everything to happen. All right, so that's gold. Let's look at GJ real quick. I think GJ is doing the same thing. Or it's not. Sorry, it's not. GJ for a week is bullish, and for a day it's. Sorry, GJ for a week is bearish, and for a day it's bullish. So it's doing the opposite of gold right now, pretty much. I do expect the weekend to flip bearish here after it's done creating its top wick. We don't know where that wick's gonna be formed yet, but what we do know is that we do know that daily is bullish. Therefore, if you look left on the daily time frame, we may be potentially be popping up today towards the next level of resistance, which is gonna be up here. All right. Again, we're bearish for the week, but just because we're bearish for the week doesn't mean that day has to be bearish as well today. Because even if we were to pop up towards this level of resistance, where would the weekly candle be? Because the weekly high is all the way up here, right? Therefore, the weekly candle will look something like this. This is the last week's candle, right? And this is this week's candle. If it were to pop up towards that resistance, it would look something like this, right? It will still be respecting that high, even if today price GJ were to come up today for around like another, I don't know, like another 80 pips today. It'll still be bearish for a week. Therefore, we could get some sells in today, or sorry, buys in today. So if I'm looking for buys today, my target is gonna be around a 154.86 mark. And for us to get there, let's see. I think for us to get there, we need to break above this level of resistance here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that level of resistance, I want to say. Because we actually broke through during London. We broke above this area during London. And then we continue up towards this area, which is my target for the night. All right, so I believe that for now, for us to get more buys in, we need a closure above here in order for us to pop up towards the next level of resistance, which is going to be somewhere up here at 150.250. So I mean, if you get a closure above here, that'll be pretty clean. That'll be around a 21 pip range, 22 pip range on a Monday. Not bad at all. Anything below here will be a pretty trashy rangy area and kind of chalked. So you want to be patient today. All right, but yeah, definitely a closure above there is what you want. Yeah, that's a pretty solid analysis. Pretty solid. Yeah, it's not bad. Winning weekend, meaning did you have a great weekend? Oh yeah, it was definitely a great weekend. It was a fun, vibey weekend. Guys, I got some shoes. Somebody just make fun of me. Yeah, some of you guys might be like, yo, is that a laundry basket? I'll show you guys later. Good morning, what up? I'm already in. What do you think? What do you think about what? What are you doing? I don't know where you're in. All right, Stefan got a chart here. Got you. GJ 30-minute time frame. What is this? Oh, bias here above here. Bias above 150.010. Yeah, same exact thing I have up. Same exact charts. Take a look. Oh yeah. Yeah. Same exact resistance here. Same exact next resistance. Here and not here. Yeah, perfect. This chart is perfect. Yeah, it's pretty clean. 20 pip range, yep. Exactly what I'm looking for as well, man. Exactly what I'm looking for. Let's see. Could we get, I mean, 4 hours looking like it's bullish. Close that support. Daily is flipping, but yeah, okay, it's at that resistance. Yeah, I think the only thing left for us to actually continue up here is for us to break above, because the 1 hour also closed bullish at support too. So therefore we should be retesting the highs here and then breaking the highs to continue up. I kind of want to see how we close here. We have about 14 minutes left in this hourly candle. What do you think, Andre?
I like it. Sounds good. I'm locked in on gold right now.
Yeah, for the sells, right?
Yeah. It's 1 hour seller play like almost happened, but I'm just gonna wait for that hourly to close.
Look at that 4 hour. Beautiful.
Yeah, looks like it just wants to drive.
Dio's gonna flip bearish here. Weekly's not gonna. Oh, weekly's gonna be bullish. Yep. I think today, if you do drop down today, we're just gonna be creating a lower wick for a weekly. The man of the hour. What's up? Marcos moves. Where were you on Friday?
What's up?
Where were you on Friday?
Friday, I'm in New York still.
Oh yeah, I forgot you told me that.
In the beautiful city.
So you're fine pretty much right now. Yeah, that's why you spent the weekend together. Going to Buffalo.
He's down the street.
We were chilling.
Nah, man, I just got Andres in Canada pretty much.
Like a different country over there.
Adam, tell us the chart. Let's take a look here. Adam, how's your chart look? Oh, nice. You got bias last night during London, and then you're looking for more bias here as you break above that resistance. This is AUD USD. Ooh, not bad. Looking left, that is clean traffic. I do agree with this chart. It does make sense for us to continue up here towards this resistance. Clean. You had a nice TP here as well above that resistance. Nice. Good trade. What did you do on last weekend, Don? What did I do for what? Friday? I mean Saturday? I got some corn dogs on what day was it? Yesterday, I think. Yeah, yesterday got corn dogs and some barbecue food. And then the day before that, Saturday. Wait, what did I do Saturday? What did I do? Went to my boy's house. Or no, sorry, went to play ball with my boy. Basketball. That's it. Hope you guys, what did you guys do? Aside from trading FX. Is that from the Suns? Nah, man. That's Arthur. What up, Shifty? What up, my bro? Yo, we gotta play some Warzone later, man. Can I send chart if I'm not on training view? Yeah, the way you see that chart there is you gotta go on image URL, so it converts your image to a URL link, and then you send the URL link to me, right? It's a website. You know, search up on Google, let's say upload an image. You upload an image and then it makes it a URL link, and I think you send the URL link. But you can't send me links. So send in my Telegram channel if you know what that is. My Telegram is at Donvo, DONVO. Just message me on Telegram, and then yeah. What broker do you use? I use the Church of the Man. Donvo, where you pushing, get some sun? Yeah, get some sun, guys. Trust me, man. How many people we got right now? 146. Holy shit. I didn't even check. What's up, guys? What up, chat? Chat. Asian session tonight? Asian session? What do you guys think? This the right one? Yeah, it's the right one. That's the right one. Not sure related, but my RAM staff seats on COD. RAM is kind of underrated. Go for it. Asian session. Let's see. Like, what do you have tonight? If we actually like close decent tonight, I might consider Asian. Let's see how bored I am. I also got like 2.5 hours of sleep, so. Andre, my workout today is me chalked, but hey, we still going.
Leg day.
Yeah. Easy clap. Something like. Yo, so my Instagram account, my main account, so it's not like a True FX account, so it's fine, right? My business, whatever. My main account got blocked for a day. It's been the longest day of my life so far, guys. Longest day. Oh, are these the moderators here? Hold on, I'm gonna see who, I was trying to erase some moderators. Okay, there aren't like, you know, that active anymore. Okay, so you gotta go. You gotta go too, I'm sorry. You gotta go too, I'm sorry. And don't worry, guys, if you guys are in here right now, it's none of you guys, so yeah, you guys good. Who's Marco's? I'm playing. Who else is here? I think that's it. Yeah, everyone else is pretty active in the thing. Carlo, where you at, man? I might gotta, you know, I might gotta erase a little moderator there. I'm playing. Jeez. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, everyone else is good still. Pretty solid, solid mate. Asian session. Maybe. Ooh, that was gold driving down there. There's GG driving down. Okay. There's no buys there, guys. So whoever that's, you know, that's a little bit impatient today, just wait for a closure. Let's see if we do break a below. I want to say, let's see, this is range 1, range 2 broke out. How big is from here to here? A 12 hit range. Not bad, but it's not the greatest trade ever. Hi, first time here. What up, Mr. Professor Lightyear? What's going on? Oh shoot, Andre, I did not delete my trades taken. I'm sorry, guys. Andre reminded me earlier, and I just forgot. That was from Friday, guys. So it was a good Friday. Yeah, it was Friday. My bad. Love this live stream. We love you too, Michael. Hearts in the chat from Michael. Ben with the chart. Let's see. So what about sells? Yeah, I was looking at. I'll get back to you with that in that real quick. What is this? Why is your RR so fainted? So fainted. I can still see it though. Okay, nice little McLaren entry, not bad. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's not really my trip. My just, I don't really enter like this, so like that. So I don't know. What I would do in this situation is I would move stops to break even and close half my positions, letting a runner go down risk free, come down towards TP. The entry is a bit different from mine though. So other than that, yeah, I think you are reaching to a minor support here, right? Another reason to move your stops to break even, because for us to continue pushing down here, you're going to need a closure below here in order for us to actually drive down towards the next level of support down here. But I believe once that does happen, it should be pretty clean driving down. But this is a McLaren entry. McLaren entry. Hit down 5% on FTMO, took three straight losses on gold with tight stop loss. Now I'm focused on GJ. How much percentage would you risk per trade? I risk 1 to 3%, or sorry, 1 to 2% per trade. Well, technically less than 1% for the month of April so far. But yeah, well, I'm gonna go nowhere near past a 2% trade. Yeah, so sells, TR, yeah, I mean, sells for us, actually it's on my chart first, so if you guys know what I'm waiting for. Buys above here, closure. Yeah, firstly at sells, I think you need a closure below here, but it's still like even if you do close below here, it's gonna be very choppy, you know what I mean? If my bias today was overall sells, I would have anticipated sells from up here as we close bearish resistance somewhere. But since we don't have that and we're bullish for a day, it's like yeah. I think the better sells would be below here. If I do get sells, then I'll probably get them below 149, 430. I'll wait for this move to play out, for us to drive down. I'll wait for this move to drive down as well. And I'll wait for a closure below here, and then I'll take my sells coming down to fill this range. Avoid this whole entire mess here in this area. It's pretty choppy. And if I don't get, if we don't get sells today too, and price drives on 100 pips, then price drives on 100 pips. We'll wake up tomorrow and do the same thing tomorrow. Right, chat? Questions for Don. Let's see. If your bias for a day is bullish, would you anticipate sells early in the day, Asian, or top wick to be created ever? What type of closure would you like on gold for an algo day? 3, when are you copying on M4? Chat wants to know. All right, so the M4A1, I can't cop. You mean the car, right? Okay, so let me go back a little bit. Okay, if your bias is bullish for a daily is bullish, would you anticipate sells early in the day? Not really. I usually wouldn't do it just because a wick could be anything. A wick could be like, who knows what the wick could be for a day? It could be a 10 pip wick or it can be a 100 pip wick. Who knows, right? I just kind of follow structure. Again, if I'm bullish for a day, I'll wait for range 2 to break out in order for me to take sells. I might just stick to the bias. Two. Is this a test? What type of closure would you like on gold for an algo day? You think it's gonna be an algo day today for real?
No. I'm asking what would look like a closure on gold for an algo day. These were questions. It wasn't a test. They were genuine questions.
I don't think it's gonna be an algo day anytime soon. I don't know, because we are out of support here. This was a resistance. We're in the range here. If anything above here, but thing is that if we do break above there and we get a closure above here, the range to go up isn't that big, isn't that great for it to be an algo day, because the next resistance you have is gonna be up here, and this range above here is like a 50 pip range on gold. You know what I mean? So I think we might not get an algo day for a while on gold, It's probably gonna be above this area, 8 and 10. I might be completely wrong. We might get the wall play. We might get a closure like this today, and then the wall play tomorrow going up. Right? Who knows? But I gotta see. We have potential today though. Let's see. So weekly is hella bullish. I don't know. Let's see. What's the third question? Covering M4. M4. Chat wants to know. Does chat really want to know, or do you want to know? M4. TBA. Man, TBD. TBD. To be determined. There's no like answer for that yet. I don't want to let you guys down. Chad Bella with the chart. What's up, Chad Bella? Can't believe that's the thing now. Okay, clean traffic to fill the range. Could this be a trade even though sells is more likely? I'll be careful. Just because that's still range 1. That's a good idea though. I like the idea. But I'll say to be careful. What time frame is this? What's this? The 1 hour time frame? Yeah, I'll say be careful. Unless, let's see. Oh wait, sorry, no. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, I'm wrong. Yeah, it's not bad. Above here, I think above here, get closure above for price to continue up into the range. Yeah, above here until here is what I'm looking for. 1783, 82 until 1788, because this is a range too. Yeah, this looking left is clean traffic. This range is decent. A 4-pit range, 50-pit range. Is this a chart? Oh yeah, chart here. Nice. So someone sent a chart. This is a picture. William. Zone 1 and zone 2. Zone 1, 2, and 3 in place. Wait, what platform is this? Is this TradingView? No, it's different. Never mind, that's different. I wait to see if any major zones break. Notice that there is no bottom wick formed. This is simply because Don's a legend. Wait, so you're looking for sells or what? Because you marked the range 1, 2, 3 going down. But like, I don't know if this is a range. I don't know if this is a range 1. I think this is a range 1 and this is a range 2. So you want a closure below here for sells come down. This is GJ, right? I might be tripping though. Like, what chart is this though? This is gold. This is gold. Yeah, gold. Yeah, so gold here. I think how do you have that marked up? What time frame is that? The 30-minute time frame or the 15? That looks like the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I think your ranges are a bit your number of ranges are a bit off. I think range 1 is here and range 2 is here, and the thing is that, like, I think the day is bearish, right? So you don't gotta worry too much about the range 1 range 2 thing, because the day is bearish. So just a closure below here would be your sells below 1778. Guys, range 1 and range 2 only comes into play when you're going against the trend, right? It's not just every trade. You could make it every trade if you want to, right? But like, technically, the only reason why I look at range 1 and range 2 is only when we have like very we have the bias. We have a different bias for a day. What's the WAP play? The WAP play is something that I don't have really. I don't really know how to really explain it. That's one of the things that I'm still working on. It still kind of works. It's not like anything that's not finalized for any play yet, so I don't want to really talk about too much. It's not really an entry. It's not really a setup. It's more of an idea for an entry and a setup. When are you going to kiss me? Jeez. Suspicious. Don't be suspicious. He could be a potential. All right, bro. What's the chat? Who's taking cold cells once pre-slow is broken? Come on, you talking about gold here? Jeez. Jesus. Oh, gold cells. I'm waiting for a closure, guys. We had the 1 hour that closed there about 5 minutes ago. We closed pretty much at support. 4 hours starting to flip though, so that's a good sign. We need a closure below here though. I think we really need a closure. Personally, a closure below here, but let's see. It's not be good enough. Ooh, GG's pushing down here. Nice. 1 hour GG closed no bottom wick. This kind of opened up no top wick. What do you guys think is gonna happen? 4 hours still bullish. If it's 4 hour flips bullish again, we should be continuing up here. But we must respect this low here for that to happen, right? Because the last 4 candle closed no bottom wick could mean that there's no range to go down. This kind of opened up with no top wick, therefore it means that this kind of has a high chance to flip bullish. Therefore, this would be a low for price to drive up. A lower wick to be formed. 4 hours still bullish, right? So let's see. Aiden is here. Aiden is here, bro. Aiden Ross is here for sure. Jeez. Controller is my dad. Nice. I think I gave you guys like too many pips last week or something, man. Like, jeez.
Chad is just on one.
I gave you guys too much last week, man. Controller, baby. I read that like the way Aiden Ross reads his comments. Controller, baby. When you enter a trade on gold, aim for 50 pips, going down before cutting profits and bring stocks to break even. 50 points equals 5 pips. Not necessarily. It depends more on the ranges, the next nearest support or next nearest resistance. For example, if I were to sell or buy right here, I'll move my stops to break even as price. Let's say we get a closure like this, right above the range. That was my entry, the next kind of opening. So my entry was right here for buy. So let's put that on the screen. It's my entry. This is my stop loss. That was my buy. I'll place my TP. Oh, let me go ahead and adjust that. I'll place my TP here. And the moment we probably tap around, since our entry was open of the candle, right? If you enter an open candle and price pushes up to break these highs, we know that this candle shouldn't flip bearish now if it wants to drive up. Therefore, I'll be a lot more aggressive with my stops and I'll move it to break even as we probably tap around like these areas here. That resistance looking left. Areas of struggle, right? And in this case, that's going to be around the 7-6 pip mark, right? But it has more to do with price action than just, you know, 5 pips in profit here or 4 pips in profit there. It's not a set number. But 10 pips, that's when I close that's when I close partials for sure. That's the only thing I do that's set in FX. Yeah. You know what to say with people catching big pips. All right, man. You guys are on it for sure. Good morning, y'all. Chat is weird compared to last week. Chat is weird today. I think I gave chat too many pips last week. That's why. They got too excited. You should watch Aiden Ross and you'll see why. Yo, yeah. That guy is probably this year's top streamer if he keeps up. #1 streamer for sure. Pulling like 150k viewers. bigger wick, the bigger stop loss. Everyone woke up Joseph says. Gold dropped. Everyone's saying gold dropped. Yeah, gold's dropping here. Yeah, we need a closure, guys. We have 6 minutes left for a closure. We really can't enter here unless you get an impulse entry. Unless you got him when Martin said so with the break the lows. Once you get the closure in 6 minutes here, I'm gonna execute sells coming down. Coming down. This is what I'm expecting price to do here for the range. What do you think, Andre? Or are you ready in? You close forward 10 pips already?
Nah. It's Monday morning. I'm taking things slow. I'm waiting for a closure, like I said in that chart I sent.
Nice. Yeah. Yep. Oh, you just said it. No impulse entry for me on this lovely Monday.
Yeah.
Yep.
Take my time.
Would this be a closure here? How big is that range going down?
Like 7 pips.
5, 6 pips. That wasn't bad, but
I know
how
it's
did that
same
1 hour
thing, but
close?
Still.
Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, it's not the cleanest. I do agree with you.
The 4 hour at that point was like a doji. Still hadn't flipped yet. So
Yeah. Right, chat. So we mentioned earlier that wait for the 4 hour candle to flip both bearish here. With the 4 hour candle flipping bearish, all that's happening is we're breaking below support. So now we need a closure to confirm that we're breaking below support for us to execute. All right. So if any of you guys gone right here for a sell, you'll be shitting your pants right now because you'll be praying for a closure. Right. So, but I think once you get that closure, it should be set. You should be good. What do you think? What do you think of the support right here? This right here. Bothering you?
yeah, I got mine marked at the same spot in the 30 minute 1778.52. So mine's just slightly below that.
Times is 7:10. I have 4 minutes left. I'm gonna go downstairs real quick, grab some pre-market feel, baby, and then I'm gonna go and
do it.
yeah, turn up. Put my desk in standing mode. Give me like a minute. You can take over.
For sure. Martin, where was your entry, bro? Break of the 1 hour lows. I think Mike Ross said he got in as well. Same spot. Nice.
Nice.
Personally, Monday morning.
I might have jumped the gun. I got in also. I'm in at 1778. 94.
1778.94. Okay, you got in like
Yeah, I got
regular
in
30 minute lows.
right at the 7 o'clock hour. I think it was. Yeah.
Move
Man,
your
your
stops
5 pips and
break
profit
even.
stops to break evens. Don't shit your pants.
Samurai, are you did you close or move stops to break even? What'd you do?
Oh, I'm sorry, I hit mute. I was on mute. Yeah, I'm at break even. I'm not break even. I got my stop at break even at 1794, and I'm
Nice.
in profit right now.
Nice.
It was an impulse move. I thought that it was going to go down quicker and sooner, but it looks like it's heading direction now.
Yeah, still pretty early. It's 7:15 in the morning. So
Yeah.
just personally myself, I like to take those impulse entries with the New York volume.
Okay.
I'll try not to take them this early in the morning, but that's just me. Everyone's entitled to their own style.
Oh,
Okay, with the dry scoop. Don, you got a minute and 50 seconds.
What is that?
Is Don gonna make it? You got a minute 50 before this candle closes. For me now, stops are a little high, 25 pips. Ooh, gold is dropping.
What I miss? What I miss? Don't forget the water this time. Oh man, I forgot the water on on Saturday. I'm so stupid, man. I went downstairs, I did a whole video just to forget the water. I shook it. I'm like, wait, there's no water. It's ice and powder. Yeah, guys. I think we might have missed the move probably. Not missed the move, but there was no opportunity for us to enter. Different. Do you think your trading style works with small capital accounts? 10 pips partials on a 100 final account is tiny. It's only tiny to you because you're looking at the money too much, man. Don't look at the money. It's the same account percentage gain as mine. Right? Let's say for example I have a, I don't know, $500 account and you have a $100 account. Your 5% the same as my 5%. See if I were to have a 100K account or a 50K account. It's the same percentages, man. Don't look at the money too much. Yo, guys, we don't have this closure here. So 15 actually closed way too below the range. You do have more range to continue down here, but how big is the range here? 12 to 20 pips potentially, and your stops are 23 pips. Four hours at that support now. 4 hours at that support, but I do expect price to come down to fill this wick, coming down to 1775 level as we marked up earlier, and then for us to continue down for a day. Because the thing about this is that you didn't miss a thing yet. The daily candle had just flipped right now as we speak. With that being said, now we have a high for the day. This could be a high for a day for price to drive down, flip bearish. Our target for a day was what, 1772 here. So you have more range to continue down here. We just need closures below the next support. And that's gonna be somewhere maybe below, let's see how the third make count closes here, because we may still get this move here if this 15 retraces a bit. 15 minute starter play too, it'll be perfect for us to drive down. Patience. Go grab yourself some pre-market fuel and go drink it up, and then I think they're having a sale here or something, I think. But Andre, I had breakfast today before my stream.
Okay.
3 eggs.
Are you feeling good?
And oatmeal.
Ooh, gold might just drop, man. I think we missed it completely. I don't think the 30 is going to give us an entry, but that's all right.
Yeah, it's a long 15-minute candle.
Yeah.
If it was an algo day and this range is a bit cleaner, I maybe might have attempted sells. If looking left was looking like this instead. Instead of those two candles there, if it was looking like this, I may attempt sells as we come down and break the lows on algo day. Stops the current kind of high, but it's not clean enough for me to really attempt those sells there in this case.
Yeah, I was telling everyone it's still pretty early. It's like 7:20.
Oh, GG's pushing up too. Guys, we have GG still above that range. I mean, we still got gold too, but late but made, guys. What up, Nefak? What up? What's your today's focus? You're right. I always forget to put my today's focus. I need to make a checklist of what I gotta do on the stream every day. I keep forgetting to delete the trades taken and put the new focus up. Today's focus is gonna be XAU USD, so gold, or GJ first and then gold. Actually, I'm more focused on GJ today and gold, and then gold. Do you have news today? No. Cool. Yeah. Nothing too crazy, guys. Just a simple Monday, right?
GJ flip as you said.
What you say? What's up?
GJ flipped as you said. The 1 hour candle.
Oh, I think are you in like a different wait, you mean the 4 hour candle?
No, the 1 hour that at the beginning it didn't have a top wick. It went down, created a low wick,
Oh,
and then
okay.
it flipped
Yeah.
to bullish.
Yep. We did say that. We did say that. I do. Yep. I thought you meant it just flipped. Now I'm like, wait, what do you mean? Yeah, guys. Earlier on, we talked about how this candle here had no bottom wick for it, and the forward candle was still bullish, and this candle when it opened up had no top wick. Therefore, this is gonna be a low for price to drive up, and this is exactly what it did. So now, what we need for buys is we need a closure above here, and we should be solid to continue up. Be very, very, very patient today. Don, you growing? Mr. Otto is doing magic with you. When I first saw you way back on stream, you were skinny. I think I look the same still, man. Do you guys think? I've gained like 10 pounds since probably, but I'm in. Nothing too crazy yet. Andre, you hear that? You're doing your magic.
I'm just about to say, bro, you better boost yourself up. Don't doubt yourself.
I'm not down with myself. I'm just saying, like,
yeah.
I mean,
You're over here like, I'm growing muscles, Andre. Look at this. Look at this.
I'm just playing around though. Me, Andre, after the stream, I was flexed on him after the stream. Or no, not the stream. I flexed my muscles to him during a workout. And
see what I gotta deal with.
like, look. And there, Carlo comes on and he just puts his muscles. So this is Carlo. This is his arm, right? That's Carlo's arm. Andre's arm. Yeah. It's more like, you know, it's up there. But Carlo is like, Andre's off to something like this. And this is my arm. You know, a little limp. Oh, he's here. Carlos here. Yo, how did you?
I heard you calling me. I'm just here to make sure everything's all right.
All right.
Up, my brothers.
What's up, man?
Yeah.
You were talking about weapons, guns, and stuff, right?
Yes.
We're talking about guns, yeah.
Andre, my brother.
Morning, bro.
How are you,
Miss you,
brother?
miss you, bro.
I miss you too, brother. Andre, why? Dear God, Andre, Don, why are you drinking pre-workout the first thing in the morning?
It's called pre-market fuel.
Oh,
It's for me to look at the charts.
you need a sugar rush.
Yeah. No, there's no sugar in here. There's no sugar.
No
2
sugar?
calories.
Nice. What do you think, Andre?
About Don taking pre-market fuel.
Yeah, first thing in the morning.
He ate breakfast this morning prior to having it, so that's a step in the right direction.
I also got to work out in like an hour or two, so I'll be like super energetic for that. And I also had 1 hour of sleep or 2 hours of sleep last night. So
Why?
why?
Yeah. Why
This is why, bro. I tried. I just couldn't sleep. I just couldn't sleep. Cups to the roses.
Ciao Bello. Best chat.
Yeah, that's Chad.
Chad, my brother. How you doing, my brother?
Carlo, you traded all London or no?
No, I just marked the charts. I was bullish in gold though, because of the
Really?
because the weekly closed doji and the previous week was bullish, so there's still like no bearish candle except those 2 daily candles. But
I'm bullish for the week too.
I hoped it's going to close above 1782. So I was looking for buys, but didn't happen. But GJ, I'm bearish on GJ. I don't know what's your bias also. So
I'm bullish on GJ.
Yeah, we got opposite
for the
biases.
day or for the
Hey, so I'm bearish for the week on GJ. Bullish for a day on GJ. I'm bullish for the week on gold. Bearish for a day. So like I have the same bias as you, but just today it's different because today we don't have those confirmations for us to actually continue up towards that weekly levels there, because the daily is obviously bearish and the daily for TJ is bullish, right? But yeah.
But no trade so far. So
how has your last week? Oh, you showed me your last week actually. You had 2 trades last week, right? 2-3 trades or something you said?
Two trades.
So when are you coming back to Ireland?
I don't know, bro. Germany went in like a lockdown on Friday. They have like a police hour from 10 p.m. till 5 a.m. You're not allowed to walk outside or drive anywhere, but you're allowed to jog till 12 till midnight. So if you go out, you have to jog home.
Jesus.
You have to run home. Yeah, but
for exercise, you can't walk.
No, you can't. Like,
jeez,
you're not allowed to get out of the house till the 24th of June. They closed like,
June?
the shops, the gyms. Yeah, for 2 months.
Holy shit. I mean, I'm on lockdown too, but actually we've been on lockdown since November technically, so it's same then.
Crazy.
June is far, man. That's a long time. How about flights and stuff?
Oh, when you book with Lufthansa, you can literally change the flight the day before. You can just postpone it, and not pay any extra costs. So, not bad.
Yeah, that's tough, man. That's very tough. Your lift turned red. Did they? I don't think so. But this is just naturally red. Panic Monday. No Panic Monday. Blood of Romance. Your timestamps on the vids are great for going back and looking at old streams and looking at the charts at the same time to understand better. Yeah, shout out to Tierra Hampson. My boy, are you in the stream? The Zoom? Probably not, but he's probably in the YouTube side. Yeah, he's cool. Definitely changed the game, for sure. He definitely changed the game. Oh, there he is. Tierra Hampson. Okay, so Tierra Hampson, is that your actual name? Or is it Trempson? Am I just pronouncing it wrong? Trempson. I'm gonna call you T or TR. Brody, what's up, man? Yo, speaking about Brody, speaking about the giveaways, I gotta make that post this week for Friday, Andre. So I'll make that I'll try to make it today after my workout. Post it tonight. What are the ingredients in the market feel? So ingredients, I mean, you can check the website out. They have all their stuff there, but yeah, I honestly can't even pronounce half of these things on this on the ingredients. So you can check it out for yourself. It's similar to like pre-workout ingredients, but they made it so you don't crash. So I mean, I haven't been crashing. This is like my 6th time drinking it. Hey, I bought the FTMO challenge. Is it good to wait to this month or start it? You might as well wait for next month, right? I mean, you have what, 30 days, or you start now? I mean, it's up to you. It's up to you. But I mean, you have like 1 week left, right? Yeah, I mean, it's up to you. This week it doesn't look too bad too. I mean, I'll start now, but this is me, right? What other games do you play in COD? None. That's all I play. I want to actually stream GTA RV, but RP. Let's see. sugar. No, there's no sugar, man. There's actually, yeah, no sugar.
Did Carlo bounce?
Probably.
They came in for 5 minutes and then just Ciao Bello at us.
Yeah, he bounced. No pixels. I can't get to no pixels, man. This is impossible. Unless I'm a really big streamer. Oof. GJ, we got 30-minute closure here on gold here. Gold's gonna close below the range. Obviously, the range is being set here. We're at the support. Price filled the range already. So I mean, unless you retrace really hard here the last 16 seconds here, and we retrace something like this, we probably won't be getting an entry here. I doubt this will happen here in 16 seconds. The next time will come down and fill the wick, right? But probably won't happen here. GJ, however, closed bullish. I want to say it closed right at that resistance level as well. But we do have a high probability of continuing up here. But I want a closure above this 150.0112 level. I'll just wait it out until we actually break above there. Who knows? Might get a 1 hour closure on gold below that range.
Tom, what do you think about the 15-minute closure on gold? Entry on the flip for that wick fill, and then stops the break even at like 1776.
5-8 pit range going down. 14 pit range. Where'd you say stops to break even at? Right here?
Yeah.
Like I like 1776.201.
Yeah, I know it sounds weird, like why I asked, and I'm gonna say I'm not gonna take it, but I'm not gonna take it. But what do you think about it? Obviously, if we disrespect these 15-minute highs, that's invalid.
I think it's not bad, but it feels actually it's not bad because a 30-minute. Yeah, it's not bad. It's enough range. Even if your TP is down here, it doesn't have to be down here. Even if it's like down here, a 50 pip TP for like a 8 pip stop for price to drop down. 30-minute top wicks being formed there. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, because you move your stops to break even pretty quick and efficient here as price comes down the flip. Times is 7:30. I probably won't take it. Yeah, I probably won't take it. Yeah. If I were to take it though, that would be my entry right there on the flip. And your stops would probably have to be like this kind of high, like Andre said. And your TP is gonna be down here somewhere. But as price comes down to tap this level of support, your stops would be at break even, as that is a minor support. The reason why I wouldn't take it because that 30 minutes at that support, and I'm very skeptical about that 30-minute support level there, plus the 1 hour support. So that's why I'm staying out. The next sales I'll probably look for is gonna be below the 1774 level, coming down towards like the 1769, 1770 for a 34 pit range. I'm gonna be very, very hesitant. Or I'm very, very hesitant with these. I'm not comfortable taking them. GJ is cool though. GJ is pushing above that range, so gold's probably chalk for a day. Ooh, Carlos back.
I had to jump off. I got a call.
Yo, say goodbye next time.
It was my manager, but there was no time. When the manager called, to just jump off. I was like, okay.
Carlo, you hurt Andre's feelings, man, when you just jumped off.
Carlo knows I'm sensitive. He already knows. He's my boy. He knows me.
I apologize afterwards. I send him a heart on IG, be like, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
Snaggy baby.
We good, bro. Come on.
Don, I need to make 14% in a week. Oh, sorry. Before I read that, after how much losses would you call it a day? Two losses. If it's an algo day, and if you get 2 losses in a row, I'll call it a day, even if it's an algo day. Don, I need to make 40% in a week and a half to pass this challenge. How would you attack this plan? I think you are now in a position where you're forced to take positions in order for you to make 40% a week, which is not a good thing at all. And this is also another reason why I hate FTMO. This is why, because you have a certain amount of days to make a certain amount. Like, I guess, like, even if it is more capital instead of using your own capital, it'll still fuck up your process and your game long term. Whereas if you just follow your plan with a small account, you wouldn't mess yourself up like mentally. But with FTMO, it's really gonna really mess you up now, because now all you're gonna do is chase those 14% in a week, right? It's gonna be quite hard and difficult. But I mean, I don't know, 40%. I'll just if you have 1 week left to make 40%, I'll just maybe double the risk, right? Take your normal trades. Like, I mean, it's obviously not a good thing to do, but you have nothing else left to do aside from doing that. So I mean, yeah, I mean, if it's for FTMO, then yes, you're kind of forced to do that. But if it's not FTMO and if it's your actual account, then you don't need to force 14% a week, like Martin said. Yeah, Mike Ross, you're right. Yeah, you just got increased risk probably. Go like 2% risk instead of 1% risk, or 3% risk maybe. Why 40% at the time?
Full margin. Go big or go home. Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing. Why 14%? Because FTMO is usually 10%.
He's probably like down 4% or something, right?
Oh, okay.
Maybe that makes sense.
They only let you go down with so much, like drawdowns, like 4 or 5%, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah, it's like 4 or 5%.
For break even, because they would let you go again for free. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how it works, right? But yeah, there we go. But this is why I just don't like FTMO. This is why I just don't like the. Oh, look at that 15-minute candle. Oof, that's why we stayed out. That's why I stayed out, at least. Yeah. And yeah, saw me. I was thinking about it. I was looking at it, but it's just not clean, you know.
Not clean at all.
But you know what's clean though? If this 1 hour closes below the range, that'll be clean for price to drive down. That'll be a wick fill coming down for the range. That'll be clean. That's gonna be in about 23 minutes. Do you basically trade breakouts? Yes and no. Yes and no. Not all my trades are breakouts, but I'll say yeah, majority. Yeah, you're in a sticky situation. You're in a sticky situation, but I believe in you. I think we all believe in you in the chat, but it's a very tough situation. So are you seeing this? It's not breaking any previous lows. Low. Chad, I think to make it simple, man, just draw a line across like you have and just wait for a closure below. That's the same exact thing, right? You haven't got a closure below here yet, therefore there's no sells. But once you get a closure below, you may come down. Even if you see this as a low. This is a trend line here. I'm not looking for buys until we actually break above this range here. You know what I mean? So if you break above here, I'll look for buys going up to fill the range. But in this area, like, I'm staying out. And people might see it as, you know, what's it called, a bearish flag or something like that, bush flag, right? Then right? I'm just waiting for a closure above and then I look for buys going up above this resistance level. All right. Chad, you gotta make it simple, man. You're making it too complicated for yourself. You might gotta change that name from Ciao Bello to just Chad. Because if you keep looking at those lows there, your account might be Ciao Bello. I'm playing. I'm sorry. Drawdown is 10%, 5% daily. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know too much about it. Ooh, guys, that juice is kicking in. Yo, I'm gonna do an unboxing later, guys, on my shoes. You guys ready? Unboxing at like 8:30 or something. Giveaway. I'm just joking. There's no giveaway for those shoes. Man, a laundry basket. You'll see. Yeah, ever since this pre-market fuel, I've been drinking it, man. Every morning I've been pretty I've had that energy every morning now. I don't know if it actually works or if it's just in my head. Adam, the chart, what's going on, man?
The amount of promo you're dropping, you should be having like an ownership stake.
The amount of what?
Of promo you're dropping for them.
Oh,
they should give you an ownership stake.
Man. You know what I need? I need that. Use code ControlFX at checkout for 50% off. So you're gonna sell here, Adam? Oh, waiting for a close. Okay, there you go. Waiting for a close. Okay, yeah, I think that's a good idea. Wait for a close below there. I'm not sure where next clean traffic is, but I'm guessing it's here with because you drew it there. So if that's clean traffic looking left, then yeah, this is clean for price to drive down. And your stops are pretty good too in this situation. Because if you look left there, even though like we created like a range of resistance here, we closed below this area, so we never closed above, even with the bullish candle. But yeah, this is pretty clean, especially on a downtrend too today. Yeah. Good chart, good idea, good chart, good chart. Hopefully it goes through for you. Should I want to put? I was leave it at that. FTMO really changed my life completely. I've had a lot of personal things go on as of late, and this has been nothing short of a blessing. I'm aiming for 400k cap though. I still got dumbass hit really, and how much? And now it's crunch time. I got a signal service from Daniel. Oh, McLaren. He posted 2 signals in GJ for 1 hour. Let me see. Let me guess. Hold on. GJ buy 2 signals for GJ in 1 hour. First, he said buy and sell. Both trades hit stop loss. 3R trade also given. Might just be his bad day, but I mean, again, we trade differently, right? What do you say? Buy and sell? Oh, I know why. Because when you said buy, it was down here, right? Now you said sell is up here. You know, so I guess double bottom, double top. McLaren entries. I don't know. I don't know. We trade completely different. But you know,
they trade the SMAs and dips and all that. They trade lagging indicators. It's like oh, the indicator could send them in both directions at the same time, just within a minute.
Wixnine, where do you think he got in at? You're an expert at this stuff. For the buy.
What?
Where do you think he got in the buy at?
I think he got in a buy as soon as
this right?
Bullish candle goes. Pretty and no, I'll show you right here. This is how they trade. So they got in a buy probably right here as soon as this closed. and this shit sent them down. And then they got in a sell as soon as this low was broken right here. So they got a sell like right here probably. And then they realized, oh wait, they're in the wrong direction. So as soon as this one closed bull or broke previous, they got to buy right there.
And a sell.
It just, no, they're probably in profit right now on this last buy because they would have gotten in on where that candle closed. You know what I'm looking at? I'm looking at the daily, and I don't know if the daily looks the same as yours, but I mean, it should be like an hour off, so pretty much the same as yours.
Yeah.
And the daily broke the previous day, and it's kind of, look, we had a zone right here. If it closes above that, like right here, if it closes above that, I feel it's like a fake out, and the daily's just gonna send us up there.
Things that the weekly is bearish though. You know what I mean? So I think what's happening today is we could be creating a top wick, but if you break through that resistance, or if we close bullish this week, then that would change for me. But I think I know where you're saying though. Yeah.
I just feel like we're getting a fake out on the daily, and it's gonna go back into that range.
D7 is the worst money I've invested in that FOREX. So I really need is done in the Carolina. Yeah, I mean, it's all personal preference, right? Whatever works for you guys. You know, I'm not here to really shit any traders or anything. I kind of respect our traders.
We could.
But I mean,
we could also get a fake out up over here. We could get a fake out, and then it'll go back down, and that would be a good trade.
Talking about daily?
Yeah. If we get a fake out up and comes back down below it.
Why cop sends when you don't drop free knowledge every day? Yeah, streams are free. The streams are free. We basically call signals here, basically, but ooh, GG drove back down here. 15-minute broke the highs. Yeah, see, even if I were to enter, like, I know it's coming down here, but even if I were to enter out the 15, I would have got stopped out. It came out, broke 15-minute highs, but still respect 30-minute highs and 1 hour highs. Yeah, I was very skeptical about that. Very, very skeptical. Ooh, GG 1 hour starter play going up here. 30 minutes left in bullish here. If we can get a closure in 13 minutes, that'll be great. 15 also closes bullish above this range too. How big is this range here? 4 pips. This would be a perfect closure, guys. If you get something like this, our SQ on buys going up by the range.
How many pips is there? So
that's 20 pips, that range. Yeah, when I see people taking buys and sells on the same pair, same day, I might assume they don't know how to trade. It's because they're just changing their bias and they don't have like an overall bias, or they're just taking impulsive trades and making impulsive decisions. Then we have the day planned out, right? It's just randomness, and it takes a hit on you.
It typically happens when you're reading indicators. You know, that always, when I used to trade indicators, that's what happened. Oh shit, now it's a sell. Oh, now it's a buy. Not sell again. We're above the SMA. We're below the SMA. You know, so it's I don't know. If you're trading indicators, it's very hard to keep a bias because the indicators will just drive your bile. I think you have to look at price action in order to keep a consistent bias.
Yeah. Yo, guys, also one thing that helps with that is also as well is like sticking to one bias for a day. Just fuck the other bias. If it happens, it happens. It plays out. The whole April this month, I've stuck to one bias for a whole entire day until zone 2 breaks when I'm switching my bias. This whole entire April. And days when I've seen, like, for example, if I'm looking for sells today and price were to come up and break above this range here, I'll be fine missing the move. I'll be fine. I'll watch it play out. I'll have in my head, I'll have an instance that's gonna play out because I know that if we get a closure above same situation, that we're gonna continue up. But if I was bearish for a day and I was looking for buys, I'll easily be able to watch this whole move play out in front of my eyes and not give a damn about it, right? Come back the next day and look for the exact same setup. There's always the next day, always. That's what I've done all April. That's what we've done last week too. So in terms of the stream, it's a bit soft. It might be your volume. I think it's fine, right? Chat, let me know. What's your maximum stop loss on a trade in pips? I don't have a maximum stop loss. But on average, my stop loss is around like a 10, 15 pip stops. Just because GJ just gives us that stop usually. If I were to answer a buy here on GJ with a 30-minute closure above, my stops in this case would be... We were close like that. My stops in this case would be around a 17 pip stop loss, because looking here, that's the low of the previous candle low. Therefore, I know that for price to drive up, we need to respect that low. It's about a 17 pip stop in this case. But it has nothing to do with, like, you know, there's never a set pip stop loss I have. It just doesn't make sense. 210 viewers. What's going on, guys? What's going on, chat? Yeah, asking you get back pulling out if you change bias too frequently. Yeah. You just gotta be okay with seeing, you know, your bias change within a day. Thing is, like, people create their bias off of emotions. A lot of people. You don't want to do that. You want to create your bias off of pure price action, pure technicals. Like, my bias is always the daily trend. Daily, weekly trend. Always. If you want to know what my bias for a day is, it's always going to be the daily candle, probably. The previous daily candle, right? Usually. I want to see. Yo, do you guys see Weidman's leg get snapped in half? Holy shit.
Disgusting.
I mean, I've seen it happen with Kevin Ware, Anderson Silva, but his leg went like this to this. Jeez. Eee. That was...
What happened?
Search up, man. Search up on YouTube. Search up Weidman's leg.
Oh.
Injury. WEIDMAN space leg. That's all she wrote. It was nasty. The fact that he stepped on it too. Ooh, that was the worst part. The fact that he stepped on his own leg. Oh man. Padre's injury wasn't bad. Not as bad. I think Kevin Ware was bad. You remember Kevin Ware? When his bone popped out of his skin? That was bad. That was bad. Pain. Yeah, I felt it in my legs when I saw that. Hey guys, 200 likes. If you guys are enjoying the stream so far, make sure you guys go ahead and leave a like. Just waiting patiently for gold here and GJ for those that are new. Thought that is. It's just a Monday too, right? Just vibing. Guys, by the way, we ended up last week with no losses. The mindset coming on to this week is just to do the same thing we do every day and not focus on keeping a winning streak, not focus on, you know, avoiding losses. Just do the same thing you do every day, because the moment you start to think deeper about, you know, oh, how would I maintain this winning streak, you start to become more hesitant on your trades, and that's something you don't want to do. This tree has normal week. Tree has nothing happened last week, right? Yeah, Kevin Ware was the worst injury. That was the worst injury of all of them. Yeah. And Silver's leg broken. Yeah. And the Wildman's broken to his leg. Yeah. It's pretty bad.
Just rewatched the Kevin Ware injury. I don't know why I did that to myself.
should we watch it on a stream or we get demonetized?
You're already gonna get demonetized.
Should we watch it on a stream, guys? What do you guys think? Oof.
You're gonna lose all your viewers.
Oh yeah, they'll all leave.
I just went to Google Google it.
Play it? You guys are nah, chat. I can't. It's too graphic, man. Like, I don't want to see blood and bone sticking out. Oh my god. You guys ever seen bone before? Like leg bone? Like your shin popping out of your knee? Oh. The thing about Webb's injury though, it's not bad because it's just bone fracture. Right? Because bones usually heal pretty easily. But if you were to like tear his like, you know, ACL or something, those are ACLs are worse than that, like your leg snapping in half like that. As bad as it seems. We want to clip your reaction? Nah, I saw it already. Muscle damage too? Yeah, if he had muscle damage, then that'll be pretty bad. But if it's just bone, like if he comes out the surgery with just like no infections or anything, he should be fine. Like to heal up. Because bones heal up pretty easily. It's not that bad. Ah man, just thinking about it is tough. Yeah, guys, be careful out there.
And why the hell did I watch that? Did he recover from that?
Yeah, he came back like a year after. Fine, perfectly fine. Not perfectly fine, not to his best potential, but he played basketball again, like professional basketball again.
Okay.
So, NCAA. That's from ACL 3 years ago. Yeah, ACL is bad. ACLs are bad. Happy you recovered, man. GP is very indecisive. GU down and GJ up. So much range. I think GU is going down because the dollar is going down or going up. That's why GU and GJ aren't moving together. Because right now, the dollar, the NY is supposed to open up here. So, and gold went down. Makes sense to why GU went down as well, right? Oh, we have a minute left or 3 minutes left for a closure. Could we get that closure today? Or could we reject? Let's see. Getting close. We need like, you know, maybe another like push for another, you know, 3-4 pips here. We should be fine. You need some milk. I rode BMX for 7 years. My wrists have broken 3 times. It was dangerous sports. I've been broken so many times. Rob, it gets better, man. It gets better. Oh, guys, we might get a closure here. We might get a closure here in a minute. In 40 seconds. Oof. 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 1 hour doesn't close above 2. Oof. Market maker, we need you here. This man the wizard. Get this man the wizard. I requested a market maker for a closure at like 150.039. Let's see if he replies not with it. 039. And I need a top wick to be formed too. Like this right there. Perfect. Perfect. 1 minute. Might get it. Wait, my camera's been off the whole time? Isn't that stream lagging?
No top wick.
Remember you're frozen? Yeah, isn't that stream okay? It's lagging now? Really? Yeah, isn't that stream good? Oh, we might get a topic on here.
Your camera's frozen.
Is the stream lagging though?
A little bit.
There you go. I fixed it. That's odd. We got closure above here, guys. So once again, I'll flip bullish here. I'm gonna look for buys going up to fill the range. My stops gonna be roughly the 30-minute stops here in this case. All right, let's see. How you feel about these, Andre? You feel good about it?
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah.
I wanted just like a little bit of a steeper wick on the 1 hour, but might be it.
Yep, going to buy, guys. Going to buy as we flip bullish here. My entry is right here on opening the candle, flipping. Stop loss is previous 30-minute lows, and TP is gonna be up here for around 21 pips TP. I'm actually gonna go in stand mode here and keep the standing streak going. Hopefully. All right, we're back. Is my stream fine still? We'll get back. Okay, good. We're back. Yeah, guys, I'm in a position here. In a position. TP is gonna be 150.241. Stop loss is gonna be 149.890. Once you get to around, I want to say this resistance up here at around these areas here, I'm probably gonna move my stops to break even. This is a very minor resistance on a small time frame, so I'm very skeptical about those levels. I think that'll be around like 6 pips in profit at the time. So let's see. If you want to be aggressive, you can actually move your stops down to this candle low here. This current 1 hour, this is because this is a new 1 hour candle. This is the low of the candle. So, oof, 3 pips in profit. If we tap that resistance level, I need like 2 more pips, moves out to break even. Because I don't expect this candle to flip bearish here now if it wants to drive up. This is the open of the candle. It shouldn't flip bearish here. Shouldn't even break the lows if it wants to drive. This is a new 1 hour candle. Too much pre-market feel?
There can never be too much pre-market fuel.
Is price frozen? Oh no, it's not. Let's go, GJ. Can we push up? I need a runners here. Yes. Nice. Also, this is also the New York Opens as well. This is the NY Open. Oh, here goes. Here goes. Gonna move.
Position here?
Gonna move. Yeah, I went 10 lot. Gonna move my stops to break even here, making this a risk-free trade. This count shouldn't flip bearish. If it wants to drive up here, turn me up in the chat. Can we get our 10 pips hopefully? Let's fucking go. Come on, let's see. This count shouldn't flip bearish. Wants to drive up here. Once it breaks through this area though, once it cleanly breaks through, this should be Ciao Bello. So let's see. Nice trade, guys. Good stuff. Moving GJ stop loss to break even, making this a risk-free trade. Nice. So going back to that question earlier, it has nothing to do with most push lots to break even at 4 pips every single time. It has more to do with just where prices, right? So today, guys, we bought at the top of the range and we got a trade here. I'm just gonna keep it as that. Nice. Going like 6 pips in here. Can we get 10 pips, guys? Come on, let's get it. Let's see. I don't want to say dubs in the chat yet because we haven't closed yet, but once you get our 10 pips, there should be dubs in the chat. It is a W trade though. Manage risk. Nothing to worry about now. Nothing to worry about at all. This is Ciao Bello up here. Once you break that, that should be Ciao Bello. 150, 100. I'm actually gonna need Andre to say Ciao Bello so we can add to the little sampler thing so that you'll be on it.
I like it.
Turn me up.
We're gonna delete that one and change it for your Ciao Bello. Can you explain why you're bullish for a day? Check the beginning of the stream. We broke it down earlier. Is she a runner though? Let's see. She could be a runner though. She could be a runner though. She could be a runner. Do we sheesh from hit TP? I don't have it no more. I gotta make a new one. This price is volatile. Oh, we're breaking the highs. Could this be it? Could this be the break? Could this be Ciao Bello? Find out. 6 pips in profit here. 7 pips in profit. Could we?
We need a group Ciao Bello here.
Could we? Could we push? You guys believe?
We're at that 4 hour.
Oh yeah, breaking the highs.
As long as we break that cleanly and can push above,
That's clean.
Yeah, then you can say Ciao Bello.
So close. Oh, here goes. Here goes. What should I play? I want to play music, but I can't. We have to do this stuff today, guys. We have no. We can't play Post Malone or anything, but it's fine. Pre-market field hitting hard. Yeah. I guess our win streak stays alive with the pre-market field and Stein Dust. It's been a whole month. I don't think there was any drawdown on this trade, was there? Not right. If you gone on the opening of the candle, maybe. What's up?
So we broke all highs. There was no, if you got in on the closing of the candle, you were in like the small.
Oh, 2 pip.
Drawdown, like, on flip, yeah.
Ooh, we're breaking. Can we break? Is that Ciao Bello? 4 hour broke the highs yet? Yep, that should be Ciao Bello here. So I do expect price to continue up here pretty cleanly. We should be able to fill this range here. Minimum 150, 160 here. So, I mean, we're like what? 8 pips in profit. That'll be around 14 pip in profit. Let's see. Ciao Bello. Ten pips. 10 pips. 10 pips.
Give to me 10 pips now.
Did you enter Wixnine? You're in, right? For sure.
Yeah, I got an earlier entry and I got 2 entries here.
Nice.
I got to run on like 20 pips.
Carlo, did you get in? Yes. There it is. Marco's get in.
Yep.
Andre got in.
Yes, sir. Stop.
No, everyone got in here. Oh, the rest of the Zoom.
I got in half a position on the 1 hour celery.
I got in too.
Start replay. Nice. For a second, bro, I was like, what's a start replay? Like, wait, what is that again? I'm like, oh, there it is. Yeah. Quick lane. Yes, sir. Both G. Nice. Nice lock. New 5-minute candle. I have a question for you. How did you manage to overcome over risking and at the same time become wealthier fast? You stop chasing the money and you take it slow. You stop chasing because the moment you chase, that's what's causing you to over risk. You're constantly, you want to get to you want to change your life within FX in a certain period of time.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
So,
What time frame is that? This is a 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame. Your background music is distracting? What do you mean? You want no music then? I can put no music for you. You can hear birds chirping in the background from Wixnine's background screen.
Or, nah, don't do that. I was doing fine right now, going like 150 miles an hour with your music. That's gonna be perfect M4 music. Trust me, at night you turn that up.
You know what's perfect M4 music?
Going, turn me up.
Yes. Wixnine knows. I like it. I like it.
I can't play this music actually. This is not copyright free. Free hype music. Man, Price is struggling to give us a 10 pips here. Struggling. Yeah, really. I'm glad we're break even though, but
see if that market maker can give us a Ciao Bello.
The good thing about this entry though is that we got on the flip of the candle. Like we can get mid candle, we can't go on the opening, so
gold, bro. Gold's dropping.
Woo! 15 minutes start play going down. Nice. Yeah. Makes sense. That's why you just driving too. Can't play that. You heard that?
Yeah.
I can't play that. What is this?
I think my stops or my break-evens negative here.
On gold or GJ? Oh, GJ.
No, GJ.
Oh, gold's driving down here. Nice.
Gold's driving.
Yeah. We're approaching our daily target here at 1771. Nice. GJ should be surviving here, I think. We should be fine on GJ. If we're breaking the highs, come on.
15-minute though.
Lower wick form, we should be fine. I believe so. This is copyright free apparently, so I'm just trust it.
Look at this line. Fuck.
Chat, turn me up. This is not copyright free, I don't think so, but
There's no way this is.
it is. There's no copyright on this song. I don't know. There's no copyright free on this song. Let's fucking go. Where's your entry done? 0.22. 0.22. What makes you decide for cancel close or to enter off the break of the highs low of support resistance? Depends on the range. If it's a heavy range, then I tend to wait for closure on like a closure like this, since this is a heavy resistance here. If you look left there, price has never closed above it before. Whereas sometimes if you get something like this, let's say the 15 minute where it closed bearish here, like this, and then 15 minute comes up to break the highs, I'll enter an impulse, start replay buy, going up as we break above that range to continue up. It depends on the situation. But this 15 minute can't open up with no bomb. Maybe that's a bomb wick. Let's hope that's a bomb wick. I mean, we're in a trade, we shouldn't be worrying, but I mean,
Yeah.
as long as we survive that. Ah, there's the bomb wick. There we go. It was too good. Yeah, guys, I don't think we're gonna survive now. It's a lower wick. It can be anywhere. It can be anywhere. It can be down here, here, who knows? But as long as you survive that now, we should be fine. Should be fine.
Yeah, I don't know how this shit is copyright free.
It's not copyrighted. Let's see. What else is copyright free? Oh, that's not copyright free. No.
Definitely not.
This is like when you ask for Travis Scott and they give you the Walmart version. is this Travis Scott you wanted?
Walmart version, yes. Yes.
This is copyright free, apparently.
I think we might be good if we break this 5 minute high. Little 5 minute celery. We got a wick on the 15 minute, lower wick on the 15 minute.
Marco, it's at ease. At ease.
250 viewers? Holy shit, where'd you guys come from? What up, guys? I didn't see the viewers today. 250, holy shit. Welcome, guys. Hope you guys having a great day today.
Value fairy dropping.
Oh! Pushing up.
GJ making us work for it this morning.
Yeah. Taking his real time. Yo, is the music too loud or is it good? Alright.
How is all this shit copyright free?
I'm gonna go. Are you a graduate student?
Okay.
No, I never paid for any type of mentorship from anyone before. Alright, there's Bomb Wick. We should be fine here. Ciao Bella. Ciao Bella.
Ciao Bello.
10 pips. 8 pips.
Okay.
8 with spreads. Can I get 9, 10? Come on.
Turn me up.
So I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went.
Ooh, 9. 9. 9. Oh, there we go. 10. Gonna close half for guys at 10 pips. I'm gonna leave a runner until TP here. Let's get it. There you go. That's what you waited for. Let's go. There's the 10 pips. Nice, guys. Good
I
shit.
get 20 here.
Yeah. TP is around 20 pips. Nice. Perfect.
Wow.
The winning streak continues.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Let's go. Dubs in the chat. Let's go.
Dubs in the chat, guys. Dubs in the chat. Dubs in the chat. Let's fucking go. We're pushing up here. Ooh.
She's a runner. She's a track star.
Nice. Look at that dubs in the chat. Spam it up, guys.
Okay.
Your bubby on Instagram. Give me a second.
with the vibes in the back. Nice, bro.
Wow, what an amazing session. Holy shit, price is still driving here. Look at those spams that was in the chat. Smacked. Absolutely crushed today, mate.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's still going.
Look, it's still going.
Yeah, let's go.
Yes.
The same thing we do every day, guys. Look for the same setup, same entries, nothing changes. Good stuff, guys. We saw gold move today. We had no FOMO on gold. Waited patiently for GJ. I said today's focus is GJ, and it wasn't gold as much. I was very skeptical on gold. Caught GJ, right? Followed the plan. Nothing changed. So that was. Gonna actually close my full entire position here now at the 15 pip mark. Gonna just call it a trade. Just gonna call it a trade for 15 pips. Let's go. You guys watch that
Fuck the W's, hit the like button. Hit that button.
Yeah, hit the like button for that. Jesus.
Yeah, fuck the W's.
Watch.
I pull up. Love the baby. Nice. We're still spamming doves. Wow, guys, good stuff today. For real, good stuff. If you guys were patient for this and you guys didn't get any FOMO over any gold, you guys manage riskier. It's not it matters, right? If you can do it once, you can do it again. Don't focus on the money. Just focus on a trade and simply a trade itself. Their entry point, our management point. That's all that is. Where you're still spamming W's.
When you're doing the timestamp, just call this Ciao Bello.
Trades taken. GJ buys, baby. Buys plus 15 pips. Nice. If you guys leave runners, you guys can leave runners here, but we're pretty much at TP. We're like what? Like 8 pips away, 5 pips away. Yeah, just call it a trade. Nice.
Gracias, amorcito.
No worries.
You already know I was talking to my wife, but yeah, I appreciate. Yo, where's Carlo? Did he bounce?
He's here.
Why can't I see him?
He's at the bottom. He's here.
Carlo, my brother. Ah, there you are. He's on a call.
He's in a work call. He's in a work call.
Gracias, mamacita. And he said, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just got
Ah, there you go. This is win.
Oh, yes. Love it.
Good stuff. Guys, I'm on like two and a half hours of sleep today, so like I'm not as energetic as I would potentially be, but got the job done today. Definitely got the job done. Where are we closing? We close at 15 pips right here. Yeah, nice. Yeah. How do you attack 30%? Because we just caught 1%. No, we didn't. You could have caught as much percentage as you want. It depends on your risk, right? If you risk like 2%, 3%, you could have made 3%. Right? It just depends on your risk in this case. But yeah, I mean, if you're forced to make 30%, I'll take the same trade 13 times. That's it. Can you check this trade I took? I got you. Entered as I got the resistance, got broke. Nice. Closed my position here, closed 2% at the 15 pip candle, broke its own low. Nice. Yeah, you got a good entry, and you had gone before us. Yeah, it's pretty clean. It's a good trade. Do you have any runners right now or no? Up 3% today. Nice. Good stuff. 3%. It's a good day, man. Good day. I think I'm up like a percentage maybe. Pretty good though. Head to the gym, boys. Much love. Stay up. Yeah, good stuff. El Cheeky. Catch you later. Do you use risk percentage or fixed lot size? I used to use risk percentage like 1 or 2%, but now I just use more of a fixed lot size. And my fixed lot size nowadays is technically lower than 1%. So it's because I haven't changed my lot size all year. I've kept the same like risk the whole entire year. We lost like 50 viewers after you won that trade. People come and go. Thanks. Peace. Catch you later. Is it too late to enter GJ? Not right now, man. I think I'll wait for a 30-minute closure in this case. Or if it's 1 hour closure. I think a 30-minute closure should be fine, but let's see, this count might close a bit weak. I preferably want a closure something like this, and then it should be fine for price to continue up to fill the range. As long as you respect that low. All we gotta do is survive that lower wick in this case. And we actually might close where I drew it. Wow. We have 4 minutes left.
Hit and run.
Yeah, hit and run. People coming for hit and runs.
Yeah, come in, get a trade, and like, okay, I'm out.
There might be another trade too. Who knows? Who knows? But we definitely killed that one. My April has been a blessing, guys. Honestly,
Done.
just everything in the markets have all been pretty clean. What's up?
Yeah, Gabriel just asked, did you do a market order on that or a buy limit?
That was a market execution. I entered when I said I entered. I'm like, I'm gonna enter here once this kind of creates a lower wick and flips bullish. It's a market execution. You can use the buy stop too in that case too, but I just market executed it. I didn't have time to put my buy stop in. Smash that like button. Yes, guys, smash that like button. Ooh, you just retracing here. Yeah, we closed pretty perfectly. The reason why I decided to close there instead of waiting the extra 5 pips was just because like it was at this resistance here. I'm like, you know what? There's no point of risking this, right? So, worst case though, if you didn't close full, then you would have probably hit break even with a half closure, which is fine. That's still a win. That's still 10 pips. Is that in our chart by Richie? Oh, guys, unboxing. I'm gonna do the unboxing very soon. Check the high time frame to see the bias for a day, which is bearish. Went to the lower time frame to check the prices range and wait for a closure below the range. Missed entry though. Was it gold? I think gold here, the good entry here was the starter play here. This 15-minute starter play on a bearish day. Coming down. That was pretty clean. That's fine. You missed the entry, you know, it's fine. Wake up tomorrow, look for the same setup. Right? That's all that is. Under the GJ chart. That's it. Daily bias was bullish and patiently waited for bias above range 1 with clean traffic looking left in range 2. Closure above on 1 hour, 30 minute, and 15. 2 entry. 3 stops are previous 30 minute low. And 4 close full at 10 pips. Clean. Yeah, this guy Andre always closes full at 10 pips. He never leave runners, which is fine. Full market make it down. I did already. I did before the stream started. Every day asking for what I want, and today we got it. Oh, there it is. The trade hit break even. The runner hit break even. If you guys are still in it, but that was a trade right there. We closed perfectly on that one. Fake on GJ? Maybe. If the 30 minute closes back in the range, we might get that. But thing is, like, see how we were able to kind of avoid it in that situation, right? By managing risk.
Yeah, that close was perfect.
Yeah, that closes literally to the T, guys. To the T. to the E. All on the live streams. Anyone looking at gold? You guys looking at gold still? Yeah, gold's the only thing I like about gold in this case is it's just like it did come down to my target today, right here, which I drew earlier. It's just the range looking left wasn't too clean for me. I mean, I still see price driving here potentially coming down to like a 1767.800 mark. It's just, I don't know, it's not clean looking left here. This area is very choppy. Like I was bearish for a day, bullish for the week. So even if you do miss today, like the weekly candle hasn't flipped bullish yet, and we still have a potential move for the week. Yeah, that 30-minute candle closed, or 1 hour close. Sorry, 30-minute candle closed right below resistance. Therefore, buys aren't valid until we actually get closure above, right? So in this case, what I expect price to do here is that I would actually expect price to continue down here, but I'm not looking for sells. I'm not trying to chase sells. It's not my position here, but this is what I expect price to do. It's just not my bias. Doesn't make any sense. This is a fake up.
But we do expect that at some point in the week, right?
Yeah. But now you know what I'm gonna do here? Move my resistance up towards that area. More information. Guys, but do you guys know why we struggled there? Look left. This is clean until this area. Price is on the highway. It's going smoothly. It taps here. Reverses because it's a traffic jam right here. Traffic jam. Could you check out my analysis on? I got you. I got you. Guys, feel free to send your analysis, man. Some of you guys are scared to do so. Don't be scared. Even if you're a McLaren entry, it's fine. Sells, looking for sells underneath 60.69 levels. This is oil. Wow, crude oil. 60.69. Yeah, pretty clean. Coming down towards the next level support down here. Yep, you probably want a closure though in this situation for price to drive down. Check GPAED for clean traffic style. Send me a chart, Anna. Send me a chart. Take a look at it. Good ass stream, guys. Good ass stream, man. So yo, here's what I'm talking about. Even if people were to say this is a stop hunt here, and this is a potential stop hunt on GJ, this wick right here, we would have avoided. We wouldn't be in that position for us to actually be stuck in a stop hunt because we manage risk for one, and for two, we understand clean traffic. That's all that is. The difference is though, like we don't have to guess that. We see it. We see that resistance here. Whereas if you have a stop hunt in mind, you're just guessing and predicting the next stop hunt, and that could be anywhere. Gotta go. Larry Carlo. Take it easy, man. Enjoy your GJ. That's the main thing I learned in this week. I took off. I used to enter trades and not look into consolidation. If it starts to get messy in the area, just behind clean traffic. Nice start to the week. Thanks for the call out on Gidan. No worries. There's no submission yesterday, by the way, too. So, yep. Look at price come down, right? This is what we drew out too. We said how okay, we closed back in the range here. Therefore, now price should continue down towards the next level support, right? And this is what I mean. You should be able to see trades without hesitating to take them. Just see them and just being able to accept that it's gonna happen, and you're not gonna get in because you don't have to catch every single move in the markets. Yo, unboxing. I'll get it real quick. Yeah, yes, I know what I got. You guys ready? What are you unboxing? Shoes. You guys seems like, what the fuck? Alright. You guys guess what it is? Guess what it is? You know, there's no name. It's Adidas though. Off-White Jordans? Nah, these aren't it. Here's a clue. Yes, sir. You guys ready to see my laundry basket? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not
Bro.
the foam.
Oh,
You're
those are stinky, bro.
These are fire, bro. These are 500 stones.
Yucky.
100, bro. You know, man.
You're a brave soul.
These are it.
I'll flex on you real quick. Don't make me.
Man, no, Andre. I'm not into the Gucci bags. You know that.
I'm not even talking about Gucci bags. I'm talking about shoes. I'll flex on you with the shoes right now. Wixnine's about to flex on you too. We're about to pull out some real shoes.
Yeah, but you know, like,
what are those?
Those shoes that you guys like right now are the shoes I liked in grade 7.
Oh,
like I've been on that wave. I've been on that wave.
They didn't even have Yeezys when you were in grade 7, bro.
I was wearing them shits in grade 7 when the dude was playing.
Hey Don, I had to come on the Zoom to say one thing. What are those?
Yeah.
Yo, you know how long it took me to get them? Couldn't find them in my area for a long time. Where'd you get that? I didn't meet up for them. SBs, yeah, SBs are alright. I don't have a pair yet. I want one for sure. Guys, chat. I think you guys are just uncultured, man. Let's see. Chat. Chat. So Don, so what do you do with your Forex money?
Are those like your workout? Are those like casual, like chilling?
Those
shoes?
are my
like,
casual chilling shoes, bro.
No, I'm talking. You know how you have like Crocs for your like slippers?
No,
Your new Crocs.
These are my new. These are to like wear for my shits.
Wear for your shits? What's that mean?
You can't even wear that in Canada, dog. It's snowing.
Nah, man, you can. Here, maybe it looks better with on feet.
Yeah.
Where is it? Hey, Samurai, you're not doing this. Samurai, nope. Samurai cannot. No, we can't. We're not doing this, Samurai. We're not doing this, Samurai. For you of all people, we're not doing this. We're not doing this. You. Oh no, we're not doing this. You go back to wearing your church 7s, bro.
Okay. Alright. Gold is pushing back up into the zone.
Don't stop playing cops on ones, man. I've had ones since like 2017. Like, I mean, Chicago, I sold these. I've had ones for a while. Like, I don't have a picture of them anymore. I archived it, but I've you know, kind of over the hype stage. Ciao Bello, 786 is the chart. Oh, close below. What is this? G8? That's clean. That's clean. Yeah, that's clean. Yep. That is clean. Yeah, close below. Looking left, that's clean traffic. Drive down towards your TP, I'm guessing. That's pretty clean chart, man. Good stuff.
Literally called the fuck out of GJ.
Air fuck ones. What up, Jimmy? Samurai wins farm. Yeah, this is music. I got round music on.
This is like Jason, Friday the 13th.
That's that Dr. Disrespect music.
Yeah, this is dope. Right before that.
Jokes how quick everyone has to flame. I knew everyone was gonna flame too. That's why I wanted to do unboxing. John Wick soundtrack. Yo, I actually did not like John Wick 3. I watched it in theaters. I didn't like it. I mean, I'm not a fan of. I wasn't a fan of it at all.
Oh, come on. Are you serious?
Yeah, Samurai. I wasn't a fan of John Wick 3.
Wow.
I don't know. It was just. Yeah.
There were some good action scenes.
I'm not into action as much, you know.
Well, did you like John Wick 1 and 2?
I didn't watch. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why. What was the best John Wick of all of them?
Probably 1.
Yeah, I didn't watch. I've only watched 3.
It's probably on demand on the internet. Someone probably can even find it on YouTube. Check it out, 1 and 2.
I think it's on Amazon Prime.
Yeah, man, check it out. I think you'll like 1 and 2 for sure. For sure.
No, look at gold. Finish first.
Yep. Reject that support. Yeah, there's a support here. Price came down, rejected it. So again, I think for sells there you need a closure below. I don't think you got a closure anywhere aside from the 15-30 minute time frame. And even if you did get that closure, price came down like a solid 16-20 pips. You would have hit break even anyways on the trade, even if you were to force a position there, you know. Yeah. GG's going down too. That was a fake out that we did not get caught in.
You drew that shut out.
Yeah, we drew out the fake out too. So for those that were a bit risky frisky, you guys have it.
Frisky.
I'm gonna put that in trades called actually for the sells. Fake out. Nice. N1s. Hey Samurai, what you know about the N1s, man?
I went to high school with the dude. How about that?
Who? Andy N1s?
Stefan Marbury. That's who's company. That's who's.
That's who made the shoes.
Yeah.
Unicorn Vans are fire. Yeah. I got over those in 2017. Terry Hampson, I'm on it, man. I'm on it. The first scene was fire, and after the acting was so chalked. Are you talking about John Wick? What are you talking about?
Talking about Mortal Kombat.
Oh, Mortal Kombat. I didn't see it.
Yo, I just saw that yesterday. The acting was terrible, but the action was dope.
Yeah, I said that in the chat. The first scene, I was like, okay, this is about to be crazy. And then like 15 minutes in, I was like, all right, this is chalk.
The problem is the main character, the dude, he was a terrible actor.
Yeah, he's terrible, bro. So it's so
It's like just, some reactions were just so funny. I was like, really? But
Sounds a
the
banger.
fight sequences were dope, weren't they?
The fight scenes were lit. They were great. The gore.
It's worth seeing on the big screen just for fight scenes.
Don, did you ever play Mortal Kombat as a kid or not?
Yeah. On Xbox, I think. My friend's house. Yo, you know what I was gonna say? What's up?
Go ahead.
No, what were you gonna say?
I was gonna say it was the first game I bought on Sega Genesis. Mortal Kombat.
You said blood?
Yeah, the blood, like the gore is just insane.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
it's crazy.
I wasn't a fan. I was more of a fan of like Soul Calibur and like Tekken. Yo, I was gonna say
it had a dope soundtrack too. Mortal Kombat. That soundtrack was fire.
I was gonna say, look at the 4-hour count on GJ. In 14 minutes. Look at that. Look at where we're closing above. Why did the 1-hour counter come down? Why did the 30-minute counter come down? To potentially create a wick for the 4-hour candle. So now, if you're expecting the next 4-hour candle to continue up, we wait for a closure. And as long as we close above this range here, once you get that closure, price should be able to drive up towards the next level of resistance, which is going to be up here, right around this range. Right, it might be we might need a heavy push, but if you close above it, the high chance you may continue up. But if the price comes down and break that low, then it's probably gonna be chalked. Be patient. Bias remains the same. Gold is doing the same thing as well. If gold in the 4-hour candle closes below support, we should be fine for price to drive down towards the next level of support down here. That's pretty clean. Don, do you think discipline is the most important part of trading? 100%. 110%. Without discipline, you would never be profitable. Even if you have the best strategy in the world, you can't be profitable without discipline. Wait, what's the chat talking about? I'm confused. There's some Demon Slayer. Isn't it like a manga?
You asking, Don?
What's up? Yeah, I'm asking. What's that? What are you talking about?
Bro, that jump goes so hard. Oh, I thought you was asking. There's somebody in the YouTube comment who's asking.
No, I was asking. What is it?
Oh, it's like a anime, but it got a manga too. You want me to like go into detail about it?
Oh no, I was asking if it's an anime or not. That's it. I think I've seen it.
Yeah.
I used to go to the library and just take out like 16 manga books and never read any of them. I just took it out just to flex that I could, I had manga books. I think at grade 4 and 5. I never read one. Man, so you guys know how we read counts backwards? You can read books backwards like that. It's the same thing.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Like I had Naruto. I took on Naruto books. I think my favorite anime as a little kid was what's that one called with the guy with the red cape and he's like a wolf? Fuck. He has like gray hair, long hair, and he's like a wolf. It's like manga, anime. Yes.
Yu-Gi-Oh?
What's up?
Yu-Gi-Oh?
Nah, it's like I forgot what it was. Yeah. Inuyasha. That one.
Inuyasha.
Yeah. That was my manga as a little kid. Yeah, GG's in close blows range here in 10 minutes here. Might be chalk for it, I guess.
Marco's no cap.
I was saying Captain Underpants. Dragon Ball Z. Is Dragon Ball Z considered anime or cartoon? I think that was considered cartoon. I don't think it was anime. Naruto's anime though. Yeah, I know. As I grow up though, like I don't really like anime, or I don't really watch it at least anymore. I used to try to draw the anime though, like cartoon, like, you know, sketch, but no, I draw candles. That's all I do. If gold candle closes above, would it be fun to enter? For the fake out? Be skeptical of the 4 hour candle. That's it. I'm just a bit skeptical. We have like 9 minutes left for that candle to close. If you were to enter bias here, the bias you could be entering here could just be a 4 hour top wick for price to come down. If I was bullish today, I'll enter bias though for sure in this range. Coming back to fill this range. That'll be pretty clean. But since I'm not bullish for a day, I'm probably gonna stay out. We got leg day, right? Shit. I'm gonna go back on sitting because my leg's gonna kill during leg day if I keep standing. What workout program you're running? I'll let Andre answer that question when he comes back. Yeah, steak is still alive, right, Don? What steak? What you talking about? Oh, the streak? Yeah, the streak's still alive. So we actually started. Ever since I got a standing desk and I've been standing and taking a position, we haven't lost a trade yet. It's been like a month. It's still alive. The last time I took a loss was while we were sitting. So every time I take a trade now, I'm standing up, and especially with the pre-market feel, I haven't taken a loss with this thing yet. It's been like a week. Yeah, we haven't lost a trade in a good minute. It's like we were on like a winning streak, which is a good thing and a bad thing at the same time. Last week I think we took like what, 4 or 5 trades on stream. We didn't lose one trade. Caught a decent amount of pips last week on stream. Yo, Andrew, someone asked what workout program do we run?
It's kind of a broad question, but I guess to be specific, Don's doing like a linear periodization. So
even I didn't know that.
Linear periodization is just like a fancy term for saying progressively changing and trying to increase the resistance, increase the strength, things like that.
Things of that nature, right?
Yes, sir.
You're having Wi-Fi issues, man. What
Siri.
song were you just playing? Turn It Up to 11 by Harris Heller. G is playing? Is it? Let's look. GPUSD. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that perfect zone. This is drawn like on Friday, I think, or something. Yeah, come down to Phillips range here. Yeah, perfect closure. Stops within 15 pips for a TP of like around 25 pips. Pretty clean. Yeah, it's pretty clean. Yep. That was to the T. Our streak continues. Don's basically building his account right now. Nah. Hey, someone asked me during the weekend if I would ever do a $100 account challenge. Probably never again. I did it one time, like last year or something in my Telegram channel. It took us 4 months to build it from 100 to 1,000. But again, at the end of the day, it doesn't really prove anything or do anything, or like provide any type of plus for me. It's just, I guess, for people who want to flip their accounts. And I feel like even if I were to do it again, like people would want the flip to be so quick, they would start to over leverage their trades, which is not the point of it. But guys, it's all possible, man. Just stop looking at account size, stop looking at percentages, man. It takes time. It takes time to get there. A Zoom trading session is coming soon. Yes, Andre. We gotta hop on Instagram live and talk about that
this week.
Yeah, not today though, because I'm kind of chalked today, man. 2.5 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
I slept at 3, bro. Holy shit.
3 a.m. Damn.
Woke up at 5:30.
Woo. Fell asleep last night at 9:30, bro.
I went to bed at 9. Could sleep at 3. Every time I do that, man, I feel like I could just spend that time being awake playing Warzone or something instead of just doing nothing and closing my eyes in bed. So it kind of pisses me off.
Yo, Don, who was the artist we were listening to in the middle of that GJ trade?
Travis Scott.
It was like, but it was like non copyright music. Who was it?
This one?
No. It was like when I guess I'll just go back and
this one.
Maybe.
This is Drake.
No. Who's the artist that's like remixing it so it's non-copyright though?
Oh, it says, I don't know, search up moods and I don't know. It just says no copyright. I'll send a link here. I'll send you the link.
I can just Shazam it too.
I mean, the way I know that it's copyright free is because on the YouTube page it doesn't show any copyright at the bottom of the song, so it's copyright. When's that boom arm coming for you, man?
Wednesday, maybe even tomorrow, honestly.
Yeah, I'm telling you, she comes a bit earlier too.
I don't know which side of my desk I'm gonna mount it on though.
Left side?
If I do this side, then like it might be in front of the camera. I think I'm about to get a new webcam this week as well, and just actually mount it on top of one of my monitors instead of using this chalked MacBook camera.
New setup. Everyone's upgrading now on the streams. Wixnine, we can still barely see you, but it's alright, Wixnine. It's all love. Chat. Account flipping is a waste of time. I agree, man. Account flipping is a waste of time. There's no point. It doesn't prove anything. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't help you in any given way, shape, or form. Right? You're just chasing money at the end of the day. Are you looking for gold buys if the 1 hour closes back in the range? No, I'm probably done for a day. And also the 4 accounts, I'm a bit skeptical of this because even if you do close back in the range, the 4 accounts still gonna close below the range on a 4 hour time frame, below the support here. And this is the first closure you have on a 4 hour candle below the range in a while. Therefore, I can't expect price to continue down, but for that to happen, you're gonna need to break below a smaller support level on a smaller time frame, and that's probably gonna be below the 1770 mark. But let's see what happens. GJ same thing. 4 accounts gonna close bullish above the range too, so I do expect this next 4 account on GJ to continue up. But I think you need a closure above 150.025 for that to happen. So something like this would be clean for us to drive up to fill the range. That's your trade right there. How do you know how big to draw the resistance lines? I just look left, man. Look left. In this situation here, I see that there's a resistance here and a resistance here. Therefore, if I were to draw resistance, it would be the medium of this. So pretty much right here at the bodies. Another thing as well is that if I were to draw resistance here, I'm drawing it here because I know that we haven't got a closure above it here yet. So therefore, if we get closure above, it means that we're going to be doing what these counts here looking left couldn't do, which is close above. These wicks here that came up have all came up and rejected that area. Right, never close above. Therefore, close above would be a confirmation for us to drive up. And that's what we waited for on the trade that we took earlier. Closure above.
Closing here. Oh, that's not good.
Just start watching your streams. Fire, bro, for real. Much love. Hey, appreciate that, Lorenzo. Hope you're having a great trade day today. Amazing.
You singing, bro?
Amazing Grace.
from why'd that pop in your head, Eddie?
I don't know, man. I'm just grateful for today. Grateful that we're able to patiently wait for GJ today and be able to catch a move. Amazing shit. How's the song go again though? I forgot. It goes like,
how sweet the sound. That's Samurai.
Samurai. I think yo Andre, what time's that workout right now?
Yeah, 9:30.
All right.
30 minutes.
I got my food in though, so like I'm pumped, and I got my market fuel in, so
I'm done for the day, so I'm good whenever you are. I'm ready.
Yeah. I want to vibe out in the chat though, but I mean, I'm not looking for trades. Did you try before to take the FTMO challenge or not? Me? No, never. And I probably never will. We spoke about it earlier too. It's just because you have pressure placed on you to make a certain amount in a certain amount of days when there's no need to have pressure on yourself. What is this pre-market fuel? This thing is and I don't have a link yet because I don't got a promo code yet. Throat. But it's like a pre-workout fuel, pretty much same thing. Oh my god, I'm trying to get some pre-market fuel too. I think they're having a sale today. I think their website is like pre-market fuel or something. I don't know their page. Oh, they're right here. This is their website. Pretty cool. Hey, if you guys enjoyed today's stream, man, make sure you guys go leave a like, go subscribe, and also if you guys haven't done so yet, go follow our Instagram page, Control FX, for content every single weekday. It's actually for markets or pre-workout. It's for the markets. I mean, actually kind of, I don't know, man. From a small little sample size for the week, every time I've taken the pre-market fuel, I've won a trade. I mean, you're not gonna become a profitable trader by drinking a drink, obviously, right? But it does like keep you more focused, I guess. Or it might just be my head, who knows? But I mean, it's pretty cool and it tastes good. It's like pre-workout. Yeah, it's like a pre-workout. It kind of pumps you up and pumps your adrenaline up. Do you ever take impulse entries or always wait for account closes? I take one specific impulse entry, and it's called start replay, which you probably know about by now, right? Thoughts on XRP? I gave my thoughts on XRP already for the last beginning of mid-month this month. I said how XRP, if you look at it, people see this as a sell, man. Like if you look at the monthly time frame, all you gotta do is wait for a monthly to close. I said how we were gonna pop up towards this level, the $2 mark, and at that level we're gonna reject to come down to create a lower wick. So as long as this monthly close is bullish, we should be fine to continue up. So that's why it's been consolidating lately. I believe with the closure here, we should be driving up next month for this wick and continue up to make new highs. So just be patient with it. I mean, I don't really care what happens with it, right? I mean, I got some in it, but like I don't really care what happens this month or next month or this year. I'm kind of looking at it from a long-term perspective. Franco XRP, what's up? Don, could this be a fake out? Let me take a look. Could it be a fake out? Could it? Yo, this chart doesn't work. Am I? Is this not the right link? Yeah, this chart doesn't work.
They drew out.
All right, you guys, I think I'm gonna go. I think I'm not looking for any positions today. So if you guys had an amazing day today, go ahead and leave a like on the streams. If you guys enjoyed that trade we took today live on the live streams, we're currently on like a little winning streak right now. Let's see how long that lasts. But again, do the same thing every day. Wake up, look for same stuff, same entries, right? All of that. Leave a I appreciate you for being here today. 250 views were a peak earlier during a trade. Leave a like. I think we can get to 200 likes today. So spam the like button. Hope you guys had an amazing day, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. And have an amazing session. Don't overtrade today.
Later, boys.
Laters.
Peace out, y'all. Stay safe.
Peace out. Peace out. Dubs in the chat. Let's fucking go.